Hi, Danell Amil here. I am here to show you guys how to get your edges to lay and still stay natural. So stay tuned. One thing about me, I am a licensed cosmetologist, and I'm just gonna basically apply this relaxer how I would apply any relaxer, but it'll just be on the edges. It wouldn't be the full head. Okay, and I just have a scarf here, and I'm just gonna take this scarf and apply it to the back of my head so that way I can kind of protect it from the relaxer. The next step is to grease your scalp. If you ever done a relaxer before, you know it's the same scenario. I use Blue Magic. You can use Vaseline. It's recommended to use Vaseline, but I'm a professional and I know how long to keep it on. So if you are not and this is new to you, I would recommend you use Vaseline. But I'm using this Blue Magic hair grease. You will need gloves, any kind of gloves, as long as they're not big and bulky, because you will need to be able to maneuver around your hairline. You don't want anything that's gonna restrain you from being able to get the job done. So anything that will is firm fitting. Between by parting and between this parting section that I have out and applying hair grease to that area as well so that I can further protect my scalp. For ladies that's had a relaxer before, you know it takes about 30 minutes, 45 minutes, sometimes an hour for your hair to process. But this little small section won't even need very long at all. So, because I'm just doing this small area, I'm just going to use my hand. Normally, I will apply the relaxer with a comb. But since it's such a small area, and as you can see, this is very important, and this is what you learn in hair school. When you apply your relaxer, it's just like applying hair color. You make sure you apply it not directly on your scalp. You see that? You see where I'm applying this? You make sure you apply it away from your scalp, because when it starts to process, it's going to expand just like bleach. Um, you know, when you're bleaching your hair, they say don't apply directly to the scalp. Apply it a little ways away from the scalp, because when it starts to process, it is going to expand and it will gradually get to the scalp just like you need it. but you don't want to directly put it on the scalp at first, because after applying this relaxer, I have to go back and work it through. And when I go back and work it through, that's when it's gonna, get on my scalp. But you don't want to put it on your scalp too soon because it will start to burn. Now I'm going back in, I'm working it through. So now I'm just, you know, rubbing it out. And I'm gonna go back after I do this to comb it out. You see now I'm getting closer to my scalp. Rinse it out, you will need neutralizing shampoo. When I come back after I rinse it out, I will show you guys what I used to rinse it out. Yeah, I think it's ready now. So I'll be back. So when I come back, I'm gonna show you guys what I use to rinse my hair out, and I'm gonna be using the Kenya Moore shampoo and conditioner by the Kenya Moore hair care products. And this is Kenya Moore from the Real Housewives of Atlanta. So I'm gonna be checking her products out. All I have is the shampoo and conditioner. I wanted to get the mask and the hair serum, the hair growth serum, but they were sold out. So evidently she's doing something right, because it was sold out of both Sally's. And I don't know if there's any other place that sells Kenya Moore's products. So if you guys know of another place that sells her products, please comment down below so that way I can go and purchase it without having to order it off of Amazon, because on Amazon it's way more expensive. So I'm gonna go and rinse this out, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I have shampooed my hair and conditioned it using the Kendra Moore hair repair conditioner and shampoo. And I must say I like it. Really rich feeling, is really thick, and it smells good. It smells like honey and vanilla. It smells pretty good. But we're here for my edges, so let me show you what's new. Okay, So they're not bone straight, which I didn't want them to be bone straight, but they are good enough for me to be able to accomplish a good lay down once I straighten my hair out. So I'm happy with it. So with that being said, I think this is a go. I think I might start doing this like once every 2 months maybe, or every 3 months, just so I can keep my hair looking neat when I want to pull it back and stuff. So ladies, if you've been thinking about doing a relaxer, relaxing your edges, I like it. I must say I do. I don't have any complaints, and I think it's really gonna look pretty once I do my silk wrap. So that's that. If you guys want to try it out, just make sure you don't leave it on for too long. I only left it on for about 3 minutes. So 3 minutes is the max, in my opinion, of leaving it on, because if you leave it on any longer than that, it may burn your edges. And just to show you a demonstration on how it looks with the edge controller, and this is the edge controller that I am using, the Shine and Jam. I can't talk, my tongue is getting tired today, but Shine and Jam. And I showed you guys this earlier, and let's see how it looks. Just a demonstration, because I don't want to put too much on because I'm about to straighten my hair. So okay, I'm trying to look and show you guys at the same time. Yes, okay, yeah. Yes, I'm happy. Well, until next time, if you guys want to see how silk press my hair, please see the link below, and I'll be showing a demonstration on how I silk press my hair, as well as giving a review on the growth repair conditioning from Kenya Moore Hair Products, as well as the shampoo. Until next time.